guys, now I am here in Botanical Garden, but before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell below for more videos coming up. Now guys, I'm here in Botanical Garden, and before that, see you later. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Rain2. But before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below for more videos coming update. Now guys, I'm going to show you how beautiful this place. But before that, say you later. Show you how beautiful this place. See. Every Sunday guys, so many people just walking and doing exercise, and some are just coming here just to relax, and some are just for editing. But now the weather guys so bad guys. Yeah, it's like going to rain, but actually it's raining really. See, I'm gonna show you this beautiful park. Just now only I come here just because of the COVID, so I now only I come here guys to visit. Beautiful. It's so bad day today guys. It's really raining actually. Some people just go they already go and run where the shelter is. Vlogging in the rain guys. I'm vlogging in the rain now. I'm going to the shelter. See that guys. Fine orchids. Yeah. It sounds like you are in the forest guys when you visit this place, because all surrounded by so many plants and trees. See guys, very nice guys. Say afternoon here guys, you can walk. This place is a nice place to relax. I love to visit this place guys. Even every day I will visit, it's just okay. See guys, this is like vine orchids. This one I don't know this kind of plants. Show you the vine orchids guys. Actually this guys they plant like they put a wood, and then it's like they tie up. So that's the ghost tree. Yeah, so much guys. I don't know what kind of orchid is this? How many times already I come in this place actually, guys, but lately only I join. I create a YouTube channel. Just now they do vlogging. Just trying my best, guys. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. If ever someday grow my YouTube channel, sure I will help people so that I share my blessing. We're going to go up, guys, and show. I never show you the White House. No, without wall. See? Guys. Hey guys, sorry if I'm talking English, but actually guys, if you notice, I talk in English, but actually guys, I'm Filipina. What I mean is, if other countries were what was that? Well, watch my video is, I want them to understand what I'm talking about. So, thank you so much guys for subscribing my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe, likes and share, and hit the notification bell below for more videos coming. Okay, say guys, God bless, and keep safe always.